In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply add the IDM extension in Google Chrome. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to type IDM extension not showing in Chrome. Once you type that in, scroll down and then click on this website right over here, and then scroll down again, then click on this link right over here, and then it's going to take you directly to the Google Chrome Web Store. So what you want to do now is you're going to click on the Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. And as you can see, IDM will be successfully added to Google Chrome, and you can simply install it, or rather it has been installed. So that's how you can simply add IDM extension to your Google Chrome browser. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.